Good morning. I'm honored to present our project title, An Investigation of Using Logfile Analysis for Automated Patient-Specific Quality Assurance in MR-Guided Radiation Therapy. I would like to acknowledge my co-authors in this project. Adaptive radiation therapy is an integral part of MR-Guided radiation therapy. It requires a new plan for each treatment fraction, resulting in a significant increase in patient-specific quality assurance workload. At our institution, we see significant values in performing analysis on the log file acquired during the treatment delivery and have been doing this for many years as part of our comprehensive quality assurance program. Naturally, we would like to extend this QA process to our new MR Linac program. However, at the time of the commissioning, there was no commercial product available that could meet our needs. So we investigated the possibility of modifying an existing commercial product to perform the analysis for the Unity and the feasibility for patient-specific QA. All works, of course, were performed on the Unity. In this project, we work with Standard Imaging, which has a product, Linac View, that is compatible with non-MR Elekta system. We work together to get this product to work with the new format of the Unity, which is very different from the conventional non-MR system. We then delivered 66 clinical MRT fields. These fields were also measured with Sun Nuclear ArcCheck for comparison. 11 of the 66 fields were purposely delivered with errors. We used gamma analysis 3% 3mm for both the log file and ArcCheck. The gantry, jaws, MLC positions in the log file were also compared with the planned positions and using TG142 criteria. Here's the schematic of the log file analysis. On the left, we have the simplified version of the daily adaptation workflow. We have online art planning step, independent MU engine, IMU, which adapts a commercial treatment planning system for this purpose. If you're interested in the details, a little commercial here. A colleague of mine, Jay Yang, will present his work at 9:50 on Wednesday. On the right is the log file analysis engine. It has two components, automatic log file listener and the log file analysis engine, Linac View. Let me walk you through this process. When the online plan is ready, it will be sent to both the IMU and the log file analysis via DICOM export. Of course, if the IMU shows a failure, it will be sent back to the planning for investigation. If it passes, the plan will be used for treatment. During treatment delivery, the automatic log file listener will record down the log file via ICOM. This information will then be passed on to Linac View for analysis. If failure is detected, automatic email will be sent to all the users. Here is an example of a wrong plan purposely delivered to check for the system's ability to catch errors. As you can see on the left, both log file and ArcCheck show low gamma passing rate. However, in general, the log file analysis seems to show significantly lower passing rate with the same failures as shown here. Because of the direction of the Unity MLC travel, the display of the Linac View appears to flip 90 degrees as shown here. So I rotated the MLC so we can appreciate the similarity between the log file generated fluence and the ArcCheck measurements. Looking at all the results, we found that the log file has a strong correlation with the detector-based measurements. The ranked correlation here was found to be 86%, with a p-value of 0.01. It seems that the Logfile can perform patient-specific QA with very quick turnaround time. We also found that the Logfile can pick up issues that the detector-based system can't. Here's an example of MLC position that we found during our initial commissioning. Shown in red is an MLC leaf 40 flagged as in error. Specifically, as you can see the red circle there, there is an error of 30 millimeter. As we all know, this is a very significant error. So it triggered us to investigate further. After discussing with Elekta, we believe that this is attributed to the MLC controller overriding the leaf position. According to the Elekta, this is a feature that will be remedied in the future. And this only happens for leaves opening under the diaphragm. It does not have any significant impact in the dosimetry. However, we see the values in an independent check of the delivery system. In conclusion, significant ranked correlation has demonstrated that the automated Logfile analysis can be used for patient-specific QA and expedite the adaptive radiation therapy workflow. Ongoing patient-specific QA is being compared with Logfile analysis to investigate the longer-term reproducibility and correlation. The Logfile analysis not only can provide high throughput with close to real-time analysis because of automation, but can also provide faster patient-specific QA feedback to clinicians and physicists. The software is currently further being developed in cooperation with Standard Imaging to incorporate Logfile-based RT plan verification. With that, I conclude my presentation. Thank you for your attention.